Thank you for choosing American Access, one of the largest providers in America today, bringing you great access products like residential and commercial modular wheelchair ramps, portable wheelchair ramps, stair glides and vertical lifts, residential elevators, and daily living aids. American Access is about experiencing freedom, knowing mobility, and gaining access. This instruction video you are about to view will give you enough information so you can plan for and install your residential modular wheelchair ramp. We will instruct you how to measure your rise, determine how much ramp is considered safe for your application, and how to assemble our modular wheelchair ramp. Let's begin by evaluating your home site. Here is a list of tools recommended for evaluating the site: a 16-foot or longer tape measure and a laser level. Now, here's some basic knowledge of our ramp and landing sizes. Our standard ramps come in two sizes, 4-foot and 6-foot long by 39 inches wide. Our standard landings are 5 by 5 and 5 by 4. You can connect the landings to achieve a greater size. For example, two 5 by 4 landings put together will make a 5 by 8 landing. There are a couple things to remember when planning for your ramp. The ADA and American Disability Act put into law in 1990 is our guideline for planning your wheelchair ramp. It is a standard that we use to create a safe egress into your home. This means that for every inch up, you need 1 foot of running ramp. So for a 28-inch rise, you would need 28 feet of running ramp. Also, keep in mind that you cannot have a run greater than 30 feet unless you turn the run or introduce a level landing for a stop and rest. For more information about ADA, we suggest you visit www.ada.gov. Let's begin our home evaluation. First, let's determine our total rise. By measuring each step, we can come up with a rise in front of the door. Here we have a rise of 28 inches from the ground up to the threshold. With a 28-inch rise, we know we need 28 feet of ramp, because every inch up, we need 1 foot of running ramp. Our next step is to determine where we can put 28 feet of ramp. Because of the parking area we have in front of this home, we do not have enough room to come out straight 28 feet. We need to turn our ramp run 90 degrees. Our area in front of the entrance is fairly level and spacious. According to ADA guidelines, we need to have a level platform in front of our entrance when possible. So here we will measure for a 5 by 5 platform. Let's make sure we have enough room between the pillars. Our platform will come out 5 feet from the threshold. At this point, we don't have enough clearance to turn 90 degrees. We have two options that would work here. Let's show our first option, which will allow the family to turn 90 degrees, go down 18 feet, turn 180 degrees, and come back 10 feet, ending up back near the entrance. This layout would be most convenient, but because of the extra platform, it will not be the most economical. Communication with the family will help you determine the best option for them. For this application, we can adjust our platform by using two 4 by 5 platforms and come out 8 feet in length and 5 foot width at the door. This option gives us enough room to turn 90 degrees and begin our ramp run. Let's measure 18 feet plus another 5 feet to include our second 5 by 8 landing. This second landing will allow us to turn back where we started and take up less room. So we have determined that our first option is to start with a platform size of 5 by 8, come off that with a left-hand turn and go down 18 feet to our second 5 by 8 landing. Then turn 180 degrees and continue down 10 feet back to where we started for a total ramp run of 28 feet. The second option would be to use a 5 by 8 landing at the entrance. turn 90 degrees to the left, and run straight out 28 feet. The second option would be more economical, but may not be the best option for the family, because anyone who enters the home through this door would be required to use the ramp. This option will put the end of the ramp 28 feet away from the entrance. We have determined today that the first option is the best option.